Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you simple hairstyles using a hair scarf or any wrap to jazz up your old hairstyle. So this is like an old braid out, an old pin road, or in this case an old twist out. So we're just gonna get right into the video. Okay, so the first hairstyle that I'm doing, I'm just gathering all my hair and putting it in a ponytail, and then I'm using the hair scarf. I'm just gonna put that around my hair, and this is like the most basic, the easiest. Actually, most of the hairstyles are easy and like basic hairstyles, but they're still cute. So my camera played me right here, but we're just twisting it and wrapping it around as I go. So yeah, I'm just gonna twist it around, and then that's it. If you like your bangs to be in your face, you can leave them, but I personally don't. So I'm going to move them on the side and secure that with bobby pins. So the first hairstyle is a bang. Actually, I think most of the hairstyles are gonna be bangs. And yep, and this is the hairstyle. It's so cute and so simple. And yeah. Alright, so style number 2, I'm using the same hair scarf that I used. By the way, I got this hair scarf from the beauty supply store. So this next one, I'm gonna use the same hair scarf that I used. So put that on top of my hair. And then I'm gonna use a wig cup to secure that, and we're gonna use some bobby pins just to make sure that it doesn't fall. And then using this beautiful hot pink headscarf, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it around, twist it around, and then it's a stretchy material, but so I'm twisting it, and then I'll wrap it around my head and then tuck it in, and then I'll do the same with the other side. Twist it and tuck it. I really love this hair scarf. It's so cute. I also got this from the beauty supply store, by the way. It's really cute. It's so stretchy, so it's really easy to use. Alright, so the next hairstyle, which is probably my least favorite, but I'm just gonna let the hair out and still a bang, just tying the hair around and wrapping it and tucking it in front. Just wrapping the wrapper around my hair and then tucking it inside and tucking it in front like so. I was actually picturing like an afro, but I didn't want to mess up my twist that much. So yeah, but it's okay. It's gonna work with your hair. If you want, you can like comb it out and have like a really nice afro to it, or you can just leave it and play with it and see what you want to do with that part of your hair. And yeah, so that's the hairstyle. And the next hairstyle is the same thing, so I'm basically not even gonna do anything. I'm just gonna undo the wrap and twist it like I did with the first hairstyle. And by the way, I got this wrapper from, I believe, I think my mom gave it to me. It's not a wrapper, so it was gifted to me and I just cut it to wear it as a wrapper. It's called chitenge in my language. It was gifted to me and I cut it and use it for this purpose as my hair scarf. Okay, Again, I don't know if I'm feeling my actual hair, but I think it's cute. I'll wear this as an afro, but it's still cute. I mean, if you like it, you can rock it, okay? Yes. All right, now the next hairstyle is really cute. I like this hairstyle. So I'm just gonna remove the hair. We're no longer doing bangs. Thank you. We're done with bangs. So I just went ahead and gathered all my hair and put it in a ponytail and split the hair in front, the one that I had a bang, but not as much. I'm not using as much hair, just a little bit. Split it in the middle, and I'm just doing a twist on each side. That's it. You can use any product that you use to twist your hair if you want to, but my hair is actually freshly moisturized and all that good stuff, so I didn't really feel like I needed to use anything to twist the hair, because the night before I had done my lock method, or is it the loco method, LOCO method, okay? So it's good, and I didn't feel like I needed any kind of product to help me with the twist. But if you feel the need to, then go ahead and use your favorite butter, hair cream, twisting gel, whatever it is, okay? So yeah, just twisting it, and then I'm gonna use some beads that I got from Amazon. You can use as many as you want to or as little as you want to. I decided to use just 3. And then using this beautiful, it's not a scarf, it's chitenge, same thing. And I was gifted this as well from my mother-in-law. I have a lot of these, okay? So like my mother-in-law has given me so many of them. My mom has given me so many of them. My aunt, my grandmother is literally the queen of giving me chitenges. So, but I love them, okay? I really, really love them. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and see. I got so caught up telling you the story. But anyways, I'm just wrapping the hair. But you guys know that when you're watching, it's so much easier for you to kind of watch and see what I'm doing than me to run my mouth. But yeah, you saw what we did there, and that's the hairstyle. It's so cute, and I love it. Okay. So now the last style. This one is my favorite. I love this hairstyle. Okay, so same thing. So it's basically the same thing, but I'm pulling the hair from the sides. Okay, take the hair out on both sides. Okay, and I'm gonna gather the rest of the hair and put it in the ponytail, and then we're just gonna twist the hair just like we did in front. I did not use any products. And then I'm gonna use beads, like I mentioned. I got those from Amazon, and I'll put beads on both sides. I'm using 3. You can use as many as you want, or you can use just 1 if you want to, you know, however you're feeling. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using the scarf that I first used, which the scarf I got from the hair supply store, and I'm gonna sort of twist it the same way that I did, twist it around each other just like you would when you're doing like a twist on your hair, and then I start wrapping it around the little puff that I have in the middle of my head. It is so cute. I love this hairstyle. I mean, I love this style, this scarf style. I keep saying hairstyle because I'm so used to saying hairstyle, but this scarf style. If you want, you can leave it like that, but I wanted to jazz it up a little bit, so I decided to mix the 2 colors. So I'm gonna use the other one, the hot pink stretchy scarf, and I'll twist that just like I twisted the other one, and it's gonna go around, but we're gonna make sure that the one in the middle is showing. Okay, and it's just gonna go around. It's gonna go around, and then I'll just tack it in, and then we're just gonna try to fix it that way the green one is showing, you know. For this particular one, I wanted to try to use some edge control. Okay, so I'm gonna be, I can't believe I did not show you, but I'm using Cream of Nature. I'll put it in the description box below, but I just kind of wanted to try and see how I was gonna like it. I don't know why I always bother with these baby hairs, guys. I don't know. I really don't. I should just leave it alone, okay? But anyways, it's a really cute hairstyle and I loved it, guys. So this is all for this video. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, for liking and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate that, and I love you guys so much for that. And please, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you guys so much. It means so much to me. Like, oh my gosh, it means so much to me. Thank you guys so much, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.